CareerWise as a service, which we started after some research about 8 years back in India, is to try and provide a scientific method by which the student gets to understand, the school student gets to understand what his or her unique interest profile is. We are not here talking about abilities, because abilities are something that you can always get trained and coached upon. But intrinsically, some of us are interested in certain things, some of us are not interested in certain things. And research on career worldwide has proved that interests are fairly stable over long periods of time. And if you do have an interest in a particular field, then the chances are that if you pursue a career in that field, you would be more satisfied, you would be more involved, and therefore you would be more successful. So this basically is the concept of the career planning service called CareerWise that we have been offering. And over the last 7-8 years, we've offered it across the country because this is a web-based service, and more than 30,000 students have benefited